Chapter 1. The Clever Bull. This is a great moral story. There was a forest with many birds and animals. Once a bull wandering in the forest came upon a cave. Near the cave was a big pond and lush green grass. This is an ideal place for me to settle down, the bull thought. So he made the cave his home. Many days passed. The bull became quite healthy, grazing in the meadows. The bull was happy and peaceful living in that cave. He had made many friends in that forest. One day the bull was resting outside his cave house. A lion happened to come by that way. The lion was happy to have spotted a bull after a long time. Aha! A bull! He is so healthy too, thought the majestic lion, licking his lips in anticipation of a good meal. The bull too noticed the lion. He could sense danger. I must be on my guard now, the bull thought, and decided to do something to hide himself from the lion. When the lion came close to the bull, the clever bull looked into the cave and called out, "Darling, do not cook anything for dinner. I have just spotted a lion. I am waiting for it to come near." When the lion heard the bull, he returned around and ran for his life. A jackal saw the lion running breathlessly. "Why are you running, Mr. Lion?" asked the jackal. The lion told him all that had happened. "The bull has made a fool out of you," replied the jackal. And the jackal added, "Come with me. Together we can feast on the bull." But the lion was too scared to believe the jackal. The jackal understood why the lion was hesitating to come with him. "All right then, tie your tail with mine and let me lead you to the cave of the bull. In case the bull attacks, then I will be the one who will get caught first," the jackal said. The lion agreed to this plan of action prepared by the jackal, and then the lion and the jackal tied their tails together. They set off to the bull's cave. Both the lion and the jackal went near the cave where the bull was. When the bull saw the lion coming with the jackal, he thought, "I am sure that cunning jackal knows I fooled the lion." Without panicking, the bull cried out to the jackal, "I had asked you to being me 2 lions. Do you want me to keep my children hungry?" Even this time, the lion did not realize that the bull was again fooling him. He was terrified. He ran as fast as he could run, dragging the jackal with him over stones and thorns. The clever bull outwitted his enemies and saved himself from its enemies. Both the lion and the jackal never returned that way. Thereafter, the bull lived a peaceful and happy life with his wife and children. Chapter 2. The Brahmin and His Enemies. Long ago, a poor Brahmin lived with his family in a small house. His disciples would help him with food and clothes. He somehow managed to pass his days. One day, the Brahmin received 2 calves as a gift from one of his disciples. He was overjoyed, though he had difficulty in arranging for fodder and grain for the calves. He managed to feed the 2 calves. Years passed by, and the calves grew up into 2 bullocks. A thief had seen the bullocks. "The foolish Brahmin does not even know the proper use of these bullocks. I will steal the bullocks and sell them," he thought. That evening, the thief started for the Brahmin's house. While on his way, the thief was stopped by a fierce demon. "I am hungry. I will eat you," said the demon in a thundering voice. Wait, dear friend. I am a thief. I am on my way to the Brahmin's house to steal his bullocks. You can eat the Brahmin instead of me," said the thief. The demon agreed. The thief and the demon proceeded towards the Brahmin's house. Reaching the house of the Brahmin, the thief said, "Let me take the bullocks and go, then you can eat the Brahmin." "No, let me eat the Brahmin first. I am hungry," roared the demon. The 2 started to quarrel. The noise woke up the Brahmin. As soon as he saw the demon, he started chanting some mantras. The demon uttered a sharp cry, "Ah!" and disappeared. Then the Brahmin got hold of a thick stick. "You tried to steal my bullocks, did you?" said the Brahmin. And he thrashed the thief Thus the Brahmin saved himself from the demon and eventually punished the thief. The Brahmin and his enemies were separated from each other.